Hey superstars, it's your girl Malika, aka Miss Magic, back with another video. Today we are doing these easy buffalo shrimp egg rolls. Perfect for any dinner, Super Bowl party, basketball, whatever. They are just delicious. But first, if you are new here, welcome to my channel. Thank you for coming. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. Give me a big thumbs up and hit that notification bell so you can be alerted when I do post another video. Alright guys, let's get straight into this buffalo shrimp egg roll recipe. Here we have 1 pound of cooked shrimp, tails removed. Next, I have 4 ounces of Kobe Jack cheese, 4 ounces of mozzarella cheese. I have my 4 ounces of cream cheese, and then I have medium wing sauce. You can use hot if you like. I'm using medium today. Next, I have my egg roll wraps. These are vegan, but we're going to add a little egg to it. And that's our egg wash, which is simply just 1 egg and maybe about a tablespoon of water mixed in. All right, guys, let's get started on the actual recipe. Okay, after I have thoroughly defrosted my shrimp, we are ready to go ahead and put it in a bowl. What you want to do now is fill this up with warm water because we do not want our shrimp cold. It's already cooked, and the frying process of the egg rolls goes so fast it won't have enough time to warm up the shrimp. So you want your shrimp to already be warm. So go ahead and put your shrimp in a bowl of warm water and let it sit to the side. Okay, once your shrimp becomes room temperature, which takes about 10 minutes, we are ready to go ahead and chop up our shrimp. We are not going to leave them whole for the egg rolls. We're going to go ahead and chop them up into bite-sized pieces. So go ahead and chop the whole bowl up into bite-sized pieces. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and throw that in a bowl, and I'm going to place it to the side. Now we're going to get ready and make our sauce for the buffalo shrimp. I'm going to pour in 1/4 to about a 1/2 cup of the medium wing sauce into our pot. Let's talk about our pot, guys. We don't want to boil this. We want it on low heat. So go ahead and add your 4 ounces of cream cheese to your sauce. Once again, keep this sauce on low. If it's boiling, it's too hot, and take it off the fire. We don't want to run the risk of overcooking our shrimp. So guys, once you go ahead and put your 4 ounces of cream cheese in it, go ahead and give it a stir. And we'll slowly start melting our cream cheese until our buffalo sauce. Once you have stirred it all up and it has started to melt, we are ready to go ahead and add our shrimp. Go ahead and add your shrimp pieces, stir it all around, make sure that it's all evenly covered. Once again, on super low heat, we're going to start adding our Kobe Jack cheese a little bit at a time. We want this to go ahead and melt very slowly, so just pour a little bit in, stir it around, let it melt a little bit on low heat, and then add the rest of it. Once the Kobe Jack is thoroughly blended, we're ready to add 1/2 of our mozzarella. So we're going to go ahead and add 1/2 of mozzarella on low heat, and we're going to give that a good stir. Once that is thoroughly blended, then we're going to go ahead and add the rest of our mozzarella cheese. We're going to turn our stove off at this point because this will just make sure the cheese doesn't melt too much and you get that nice cheese pool at the end. All right, so after that, we're going to go ahead and put our mixture to the side, and we're going to start heating up our oil. We're just going to put our oil on kind of a medium right now, and don't worry about these little bits you see in the bottom of my oil. I have been making egg rolls all day for the football games. Anywho, like I said, we're going to just put it on medium right now because we don't want it totally hot while we assemble our egg rolls. Once we assemble about 5 or 6 egg rolls, that's when we're going to turn up our heat. Okay, so now we're going to take our egg rolls and we're going to take our mixture and we're just going to do our fill. You're going to make it into like a horizontal line. I think I'm saying that right. Vertical. No, horizontal. That's correct. And kind of square it up. So you want it horizontal and you want your egg roll to be diamond shaped. Now we're just going to fold our ends in just like that. Then we'll tuck this Try to tuck that meat in. It doesn't matter if a little meat comes out the sides. It's fine. Don't worry about that. I'm going to go ahead and take my egg wash and put a little bit on the corners. You'll see me put a little bit more or a little less. It really doesn't matter. You're just trying to seal up your egg rolls. Go ahead and put that to the side, and then we're going to assemble all 10 of these egg rolls. And once we are done assembling our egg rolls, we are ready to add our egg wash to the front and the back of the egg rolls. We're going to go ahead and use a brush and go ahead and paint those egg rolls with the egg wash. I forgot to mention, if egg wash is just a 1 egg and a couple of dashes of water mixed up. That's all the egg wash is. And also make sure you're assembling these egg rolls on aluminum foil. You don't want to use wax paper because it will stick very badly to the wax paper. So use aluminum foil. So we're going to turn them over, and then we're going to go ahead and apply a little egg wash to the other side as well. And then we'll go directly into frying. At this time, go ahead and heat your grease up to 350 all the way on high, because we are ready to fry. All right, now we are ready to go ahead and drop our egg rolls into the oil. I'm going to do this real time because I want to show you how quick this happens. Usually you only have to fry it about 1.5 minutes per side, 1.5 to 2 minutes per side, but you must check it. Don't let these burn. You want them to be nice, buttery crisp. That's what the egg wash is for. You do not have to use egg wash, but trust me, your egg rolls come out much better with egg wash. So we're going to just go ahead and let these fry for 1.5 minutes. I'm going to check them in a second. Well, in a minute. We're doing it real time. So what you guys do this weekend? Did y'all watch the games? I live in Chicago. Bears suck, right? I know, right? Anywho, who y'all got in the playoffs? Did I say playoffs? That's basketball. Who y'all got for the Super Bowl? That is playoffs, right? I'm a girl. I'm sorry, guys. All right, it's been 1.5 minutes. We are turning our egg rolls over, as you see. Okay, so you want them nice and golden brown like this. You don't want to go any darker than that because you don't want to run the risk of burning. All right, so now we have another 1 minute to 1.5 minutes. What you guys want to talk about? Why am I not getting that right? In the football playoffs. Yeah, it is the playoffs. Yeah, it is. And then they go to the Super Bowl, right? Well, who y'all got for the Super Bowl? I'll ask my husband. I don't know. I am cracking myself up. Okay, keep frying, keep frying. What else can we talk about? Oh, we can talk about, do you all cook for Mardi Gras? I got a few recipes for Mardi Gras that I'm going to do, and also that I already have on my channel, so go ahead and check those out. And while we're talking, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And these are super good for playoff games and basketball and whatever the heck you have at your house. Okay, it's been another 1.5 minutes, and they are ready to go. As you see, they are nice and crispy and brown. So go ahead. I'm going to take these 5 off, and I'm going to put them in a 170-degree oven so they can just stay warm while I fry my other 5. I've actually did about 40 egg rolls today, guys, but I'm just showing you 10 today. So we're going to go ahead and put these in and let them stay warm. And that's it. All right, we're ready. All right, so I have cut these in half because I'm going to dress them up real cute for you guys. You can do a dipping sauce, but I'm going to go ahead and drizzle them in a roasted garlic sauce that I brought from Hellman's. These sauces are, by the way, are awesome. You guys should try all of them. They got sriracha, they got all types of stuff, but I didn't want to do a hot sauce because they're already buffalo. This sauce is the secret sauce. I want to say it's a Walmart brand, but it's good as well. Now I'm just garnishing with parsley and fresh green chopped onions. All right, guys, so these are our final egg rolls. Let's go ahead and give them a taste. All right, guys, we're going in for our first taste of our buffalo shrimp egg rolls. They look delicious, don't they? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Am I gonna go in for that cheese pool? I sure am. Alright guys, I want to thank you for watching. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button for me, give me a big thumbs up, and hit that notification bell so you can be alerted when I do post another video. I'm going back into my egg rolls because day 5.